akala ng girls na dadalaw si Joshua Garcia.
Oh, girls, gaano ba kayo ka-ready?
Kuya, huwag po kami i-prank.
Kuya!
Ilang beses na kami nasaksan.
Are you really ready?
Yes, Kuya.
Let us all welcome Pasok.
Eh, paano kung...
No, don't expect, girl. Don't accept, pero...